Hi kids. This morning I want to go over real quick what the swap and drop method is. Most of you remember the swap and drop method, but you're having trouble figuring out how to find the charge of the ion. So this is in regards to the worksheet that you were supposed to do today. A lot of people are getting it wrong, so I'm going to have you take a look at this real quick. For example 1, if I have lithium and I have phosphorus, okay, the first place I want to look to try and find lithium's charge is on my common ion sheet. I don't see lithium on here. Okay, it's not a positive ion found on this sheet. So the next thing I want to do is go look at the periodic table. Remember that the charges for our ions in the periodic table in group 1 was a +1, group 2 was a +2, group 13 was a +3, 14 was plus or minus 4, and then it went -3, -2, -1, and 18 didn't have a charge. Okay, so if I take a look, I found lithium right there. So lithium is in group 1. That means lithium has a +1 charge. Now I want to find phosphorus. I look on this common ion sheet. Oh, I don't find phosphorus. Okay, so I want to come over here. I want to find phosphorus. Phosphorus is right here. It's in group 15. Phosphorus is a -3. Now I have to remember my 3 questions. Cancel, reduce, swap, and drop. Okay, the 1 and the 3 don't cancel. They don't reduce, so I'm going to swap and drop. And that would be the answer for that first problem. Let's look at the next one. Aluminum and bromine. I'm going to look over here. Oh, look, here's aluminum. Aluminum is +3, so I can go ahead and put a +3 by aluminum. Then I'm going to go to bromine, try and find bromine. Oh, there it is, bromide. Remember that when it's an ion, it drops the ending and adds IDE. And that was a -1. They don't cancel, they don't reduce. So I'm going to swap and drop, and I'm going to get AlBr3. Now, another common mistake everyone is making are the polyatomic ions. PO4 is a polyatomic ion. If you have PO4 in the beginning, you have to have it in the end. You have to have something Mg PO4. Okay? Let's look and find out what the charges are first. I'm going to come up here, and I'm going to look for magnesium. Magnesium is right here. Magnesium is +2. Now I'm going to try and find PO4, polyatomic ion. It's phosphate. It's right here. And it's a -3. They don't cancel, they don't reduce, so I'm going to swap and drop. Now, the vast majority of the kids, of you guys, all of you, are making a mistake because you are moving your 4. Okay? Don't do that. When I swap and drop, the 3 comes down here, and the 2 goes after PO4 in parentheses. I have PO4 here, and I have PO4 here. Remember, in a polyatomic ion, we do not change the formula of that polyatomic ion. The only thing that we can do is put it in parentheses and add the number behind it. Hope that helps clear up some of the mistakes a lot of you are making. Have a great weekend.